a very interesting place in Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve, mid center of the forest. In North Udanti core zone. This area doesn't have water for 3 kilometers all the sides from this lake. So we have decided to give water in this lake. The lake actually dries up in summers, so a borewell was done by the forest department. Good afternoon. We are in compartment 89 at one of our sites out here. If you see, a lovely lake is out here which dries up completely in summers. So we have decided from Earth Brigade Foundation to give a 1 HP system out here. A pretty easy site as it seems. We just have to install panels and give water here. So the problem here is that we have to get the material with a lot of difficulties out here. We have to the vehicle has been stuck in clay. So actually we are getting the material by foot to this place because the vehicles are stuck. It is all clay. It has rained here, so there are no routes out here. A very important place. It is next to the wild buffalo Bada out here. Apart from leopard and sloth bear and other movement also happens here. So very important place. It dries up in summer. So when we'll give water here, this will create a very beautiful ecosystem out here. There are a lot of fishes, turtles, and other things already out here. So we want an entire ecosystem to be there. Morning, we are at Ichradi camp in Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve. So if you see a very important site for this tiger reserve, if you see this camp is at the border in the forest area of Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Lot of illegal activities have happened in the past. With just people coming from that side come here do illegal activities and go away. So now the camp was being made and the staff has come here. But there was no facility for the staff, so we are providing electricity plus water to the staff here. Apart from that, as what we do, this area becomes very dry in summers, so we are giving water to a nala out here, which will actually revive the entire nala and water the body out here. It will give water to the animals out here. Animals like which are here, which are in good numbers, are the leopards, hyena, sloth bear, and cheetal. And there are a couple of gods as well. So yes, this area is pretty densely populated in terms of wildlife out here. So we want the animals to stop here in this area, and because the Chowki will be now guarded, and there are 3 people now who have been shifted here who will stay there permanently. So this area will also be is getting prepared for us. Today we'll be finishing off this site. If you see, the cleaning work is happening for getting the pipeline out here because it is a very dense forest right now, and a water body is also getting prepared. So we're gonna show you that as well. चलो बाहर निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से। गिरा दो उसको यहाँ से। हैं?
यहाँ 2023 मई जून में खूब सारा मकान बना हुआ था, बाहर से आए थे उड़ीसा से, तो उनको हमारे वन मंडल अधिकारी के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है, वो उप निदेशक बोलते हैं, उन्होंने ऊपर से आर्डर लिया, सब को तोड़ फोड़ किया। क्या है ये, रिजर्व टाइगर के नाम से जाना जाता है जी। जानवरों को यहाँ क्या है, रहने का जगह भी नहीं मिल रहा था। अब जो है वातावरण अच्छा से बन गया है, हरा भरा भी आ गया है, और आप जो है यहाँ पानी का स्रोत भी दे दिया। अब पानी जो आएगा जंगल तरफ जाएगा पाइप के माध्यम से, तो जानवर भी पिएंगे। रात बिकाल के भी जानवर चुपचाप से पानी पीने के लिए आते हैं। बिजली का भी आप दिए, हमारा रात को भी बंधन लोग रुका था यहाँ पर जी।
तो अब सर यहाँ स्टाफ रहेगा हमारा?
हाँ रहेगा सर, जी जी जी, 2 तैनात
तो
रहेंगे।
सर ये जो स्टाफ यहाँ रहेगा उससे यहाँ क्या फायदा होगा?
और यहाँ जंगल का सुरक्षा रहेगा, जो पानी निकासी होगा वो अपना नाला में, और एक सेप्टिक टाइप का बना दिए हैं सर। तो वहाँ जंगली जानवर वगैरह पानी पियेंगे तो वो बाहरी आदमी उसमें वो मार धाड़ नहीं करेंगे।
Chowki is now getting renovated. The ceiling work is done. We have given light and water to this chowki now. So now the two staff will be permanently staying here. If you can see, this Balli and all are there to do the roofing work here.
Deep in the wild heart of Chhattisgarh, where the Udanti Sita Nadi Tiger Reserve breathes, lies a place once forgotten, Sornamal. Once an old village, now reclaimed by nature, this land, lying in the buffer of Indargaon range, rests right beside the core of the Tiger Reserve. But Sornamal had a struggle. It had no water, no power, no light. Until the Earth Brigade Foundation stepped in, bringing life to the land again. For the first time, water flows here, electricity hums through the trees, forest staff can stay, guard, and nurture what's growing again. Around Sornamal, the jungle is alive. Leopards sprawl through the night, sloth bears wander silently, elephants pass by, and sometimes the tiger returns. 3 new water bodies now shimmer under the forest sky, lifelines for every creature that calls this home. Earth Brigade Foundation has brought light to Sornamal through a solar electrification system and ensured a steady supply of clean water as well. Today the Chowki is alive again.
So if you see, these guys are not actually dancing, but the red ants are just, creating mayhem out here. It is so difficult for them to work, but they are working there. So yeah, it is difficult.
After bringing clean water to the camp, Earth Brigade Foundation has now powered it with a 1100 VA solar electrification system. Today, Basin Camp shines with light, a symbol of hope and protection for this vital landscape. Because when people can live here, they can safeguard the forest, its wildlife, and its future. Earth Brigade Foundation, empowering conservation one light at a time.